Unstable fin press punching can affect tube, assembly, and heat exchanger production quality. For heat exchanger manufacturers, fin hole position, punching shape, and stacking consistency are key production concerns. This fin press punching machine is designed for heat exchanger fin production, including condenser and evaporator fins. The machine completes fin, strip feeding, and punching, forming the required hole pattern for tube assembly. Different fin products may require different hole patterns, fin lengths, and material widths. From machine operation to finished fins, buyers can clearly see the punching process and final fin result. Accurate fin press punching helps improve tube insertion preparation and supports later heat exchanger assembly. It is suitable for heat exchanger fins, condenser fins, evaporator fins, radiator fins, and HVAC cooling components. With 30 years of experience in machinery equipment, Bobo helps customers build suitable fin press punching solutions. Our team will recommend a suitable solution for your production needs. Contact us for your fin punching solution.